To replace the battery on your Mazda key fob, using a screwdriver or your nail, slide this down and then slide the back cover just a bit to the side. Push the cover to the side, only moves a little bit, and there it comes off. The slider here just unhooks the back cover. On the bottom right of the key fob is a plastic tab. Using my nail, I push this tab inwards. Notice the front cover has opened. You can also use a flat screwdriver to push this tab. Notice the front cover is opening. If your cover did not open properly, just open it like a book. The battery compartment is exposed here. I can just use a flat screwdriver to just pop off this lid. On the one side here, there's an opening. Gently use your screwdriver to pry the battery out. The replacement battery is a CR2032. Holding the side of the battery, I slide that into this space. I press down and I make sure the battery is flush. I take the battery cover and I place it on top of the battery compartment. I now press it down and it will lock in place on the left and the right. Check that the battery cover is flushly mounted. You do not need to remove this in order to replace the battery. If yours did, however, pop off, just reseat it as follows. Notice those two tabs line up with the two holes on this side, and I press it inwards. To replace the front cover, I make sure that I have the plastic tab on this side. This plastic protrusion goes into this hole over here, which is in the top right. The plastic protrusion is starting to come through the other side. Notice that the cover is perfectly in place. There is no overlap anywhere, and using a balance force, I can just press downwards. That has now seated the front cover. If your mechanical key popped out, just return it. Notice there's the Mazda symbol and the handle goes to the side. The cover can only be returned in one orientation. So I match up these three clips over here, which will go underneath these three protrusions over here. Notice the symbol of the key here with the handle going to the side, but remember that this is a mirror image. So as I rotate it, it is now exactly in the right orientation. I place it on top. Notice there is a little bit of a space here. It is slightly offset on the one side, and then I slide it. That locks it in place. Do a quick visual check to make sure that the covers are firmly in place. Thanks for watching, and cheers.